Hey guys, welcome back to another quick little video on how I'm setting up my 2019 Hobie Outback Camo Edition. Right now, this video is going to be about putting on the micro power pole. I think I got the right screws that I took off my old mount, and it's pretty simple, but I'm still going to show you guys anyway. So let's get into it. Alright, so this should be easy enough. Comes pre-drilled, little holes. Got some bolts. I took off my other power pole mount, which I'm hoping are gonna work just fine on this. Of course, I can't use the drill on the back one, it's a little too wide. Seems to work pretty good. I'm not quite sure how long these bolts are, but I think if you ask somebody on like one of the Hobie Outback owners Facebook page, I think I've already seen a few posts about it. Then the next step, add your power pole. There's two different ways you can power it. You can do it with the battery like I do, or you can run the wire. I think this is the best way to do it. Got your up and your down. And yeah, it was that easy. It took me probably less than 5 minutes, besides looking around for screws. Here, I'll pull it outside in front of my house and show you guys what it looks like with the spike inside. I believe this is an 8-foot spike. Yeah, mounts on there pretty nice. A little overview of the rest of the kayak. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was stupid easy to put that thing on. Just need to make sure that you have the right screws and bolts right in. So yeah, be on the lookout for more videos about my new kayak. I'll probably do quite a few coming up here soon. And see you guys next time.